Hey everyone, Chris over here at AceVacuums, your one-stop shop for all of your cleaning needs. I wanted to make a really quick video. We get a lot of people calling asking, do we do Riccars, simplicities, different things like that? Are we an authorized dealer, service center, and all that stuff? The answer to that question is yes. If you are living in Northern Virginia, DC, Maryland, or the surrounding areas, and you have a Riccar vacuum or you're looking at purchasing a Riccar vacuum, bring it here to our shop. We have everything you need, Riccar as well as simplicity. We are an authorized dealer for them, so we carry all their upright vacuums, their canister vacuums, stick vacs, cordless vacuums, and they have a wide range of variety. The nice thing about Riccar is they're an American-made product, so everything is here, made right here in the United States, which is a really big benefit to a lot of people that are like me, that like things made here in the United States. They have a wide range of variety from lightweight vacuums to heavy duty vacuums, commercial vacuums, canister vacuums, so much stuff. You can go right to our website at acevacuums.com and you can take a look at all the wide range variety of vacuums that they carry. They are phenomenal vacuums. They are meant to last and built to last. They're very good quality, excellent filtration. So if you're looking for a good quality cleaning in your home, check out Riccar. They are an amazing product. And if you already own a vacuum, a Riccar vacuum that you just purchased recently or something older, we are a service center, authorized service center for them, and a warranty center for them as well too. So if you have any issues or if you just want to have their vacuum cleaned, serviced, and repaired, come see us here. We're in all of Northern Virginia. We serve in all of Northern Virginia, Maryland, and DC area. So you can stop by. Our shop is open 7 days a week. You can like us on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, follow us on YouTube. We have a lot of different things that we post on our channels, kind of new updates and videos and things like that. So if you are interested, please stop by and give us a call at 703-997-9292. We do also carry all the supplies, the accessories, and different things like that too for all of your Riccar vacuums. So come by and see us here at AceVacuums. We're here 7 days a week. You can call us anytime. Check out our website. And then we also do live demos. So if you're like on the fence of what to purchase or what kind of vacuum you're looking for, we can help guide you in the best direction that meets your needs and your home needs. Because the main thing we want to do here is let you get hands-on with our vacuums, show you how they work, let you use them. It's not like going to Walmart or Target or Best Buy. You kind of just look at it, hope it works, get it home, and then you may not like it. At least here you're able to try the vacuum out, look at it, see all the attachments that comes with them, and get hands-on with it. We can show you live demonstrations on how well it picks up pet hair or how well it gets all that sandy, gritty dirt out of your carpet. So different things like that, which separates us apart from just buying it from a retail store or like a box office store. You can actually use these vacuums, see how they work, and we can give you a live demo on these vacuums, which is a plus. So if you have anything or need anything, come see us here. You're authorized Riccar dealer here in Northern Virginia for all of your cleaning needs. Thanks, guys.